Hi everybody, Dave here. Today we're going to be running through the Kubota ZG227 and why this commercial machine is the mower for you. So today we're going to go through three particular features on this mower. One being the Commercial Pro 54-inch mowing deck. Second being the direct drive gearbox on this mowing deck. Third being Kubota's hydrostatic transmission. So Kubota's hydrostatic transmission in the ZG series is direct drive from your engine, so there's no belt drive, so you get all your power through to your transmission, which also allows for a hydraulic deck lift. And then also with your PTO shaft, it's getting all that power directly down to the gearbox on your mowing deck. Now we're going to move on to the gearbox on your mowing deck. So as you can see, there is a cover that gives you access through to your mowing deck. So this is a gearbox direct driven from your transmission. So there is no belt drive, which reduces belt slip and gives you more power direct through to the mowing deck. Now we're going to be moving on to the Pro Commercial Mowing Deck. So this particular mowing deck is of commercial strength. So it does have a reinforced edge around. It is a fabricated mowing deck, but it also has 6 inches in depth across the mowing deck, which is improving your airflow and allowing all of the grass to clear to allow you to mow the ground a lot faster than traditional mowing decks. On the ZG227, it has a Pro 54-inch, so 54-inch cutting width, which encases 3 blades on this mower. With this mower too being direct drive commercial machine, also has quick release covers and also has a double V belt, so it is very thick and very strong. So on the controls on your ZG227, we have in the center is your park brake. So it's a quick release, push and release to lock your park brake, push it back down, hold the lever, and then that locks your brake on. Your next button here is your hydraulic deck lift. So to change the cutting height on this machine, you will hold the deck lift button down. Here is a lock and unlock. So you have to be holding the hydraulic foot pedal in. You will release in the unlock position. And then the dial here is your height setting. So from 1 to 5 inches in cutting height, it's just a matter of turning your dial. Once you've got your cutting height selected, you will release your foot pedal off the hydraulic lift and the mower will lower down to your selected cutting height. After that, it's just your levers for your zero turn. So your right lever being for your right hand wheel, forward or reverse, left hand lever for your left hand wheel, forward and reverse. The only other controls on your right hand side, your yellow lever being for your PTO engagement, which is just engaging your blades. So it's just on or off. Your orange lever is your engine throttle. So just to increase your engine speed, forward or reverse. This is your choke. So just for your cold start, just engaging your choke and then key start for the machine. So moving over to the left-hand side of the operating area, you have your fuel. So that's just your petrol on this side and a cup holder if you're carrying any water with you. Your fuel gauge is actually an analog dial, which is on the right-hand side of the seat. So the common question we're asked on our zero-turn range is the gradient of slope or safety of the machine on slopes. So for this particular machine having a rollover, it does happen to tip. We don't specify a gradient of slope for zero turns. So if you are feeling unsafe on a particular slope or when you are mowing, we recommend reversing up the slope to be able to be as safe as possible. If you feel unsafe, you should not be doing it, and there is other particular mowers in the range that are suited to those conditions. So your safety features on the ZG227, the seat does have a safety cutout switch, so you need to be sitting on the seat to be able to start the machine. It does have a seat belt as well to be able to protect you if the machine does happen to tip. You are safely underneath the rollover structure. This rollover structure is foldable as well. So it's just releasing your pins and you can fold this down to be able to go under low trees or into sheds if you need to. Another benefit of the ZG mower is the inbuilt maintenance lift. So to release this, it's just pulling your safety pin out hand lever comes out from underneath, and then folding down the jack, why isn't that? And locking it in down below. Once you've got your handle just on the top rubber mat, this will come up. This handle just goes in the top, and then all it is winding the mower up. So the benefit of this will give you the ability to service the mowing deck underneath, or changing your blades, or if you get anything jammed up underneath the mowing deck, it will give you easy access underneath the machine. Thanks guys, that concludes our little walk around video of the Kubota ZG227. As you can see, it is perfectly suited for all of your heavy or commercial applications. For any more information on these, please see our details below and give us a call. Thank you.